Hi guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. What I'm sharing today is some entertaining tips. Every year, Sean and I host a Super Bowl party. Even though most of the time it's only like 3 people, we love entertaining and I love decorating and making cute food. So I want to share that with you today. Let's get started with the decorations. So I didn't really want to spend a lot of money. Actually, I've been buying this stuff over the years and I just keep it. You can find this stuff at like the Dollar Tree or Target dollar spot sometimes will have it. It's just like really random where I find it. I might even find it like at my local grocery store. But they're really inexpensive. Ugh. They're really inexpensive, like football shaped, just platter holders basically. So here's one that I've had for years. Put it behind me. And then I've had this one for years as well. And then I have this one as well. And I really don't know where it's from, but I know you can get some on Amazon. I'll link below some cute stuff you could buy. Next, I'm gonna show a couple things that I got at Party City. So I didn't really spend too much money, but I thought they were cute to share. So I have these little flags, football flags. We'll use these for the sliders. And then I bought these really cute cups. And they have like this little football lacing on them. I thought they were super cute. Usually it's only like 3 of us that are at this Super Bowl party we have. So these cups will last us years. There are like 25 cups in here. And then I got a couple of decorations items. I got some napkins that are really cute. And then I ran into the dollar store and I got lucky and I found these. So actually these are not from the dollar store. These are also from Party City and they're just gonna be kind of like my centerpiece. You guys know if you've been watching my channel, I love tablescapes and decorating for holidays. So I'm definitely gonna use this one over and over every year to come. And then from the dollar store, I scored these. So this is just like a game day flag and then another little pop-up, oh, I have it upside down. Another little pop-up situation. What I will give you a tip for is when you're buying decorations for like these types of events, don't get anything that like, will say the year or the teams, even though like I'm so sad that the Dallas Cowboys are out of the playoffs because I probably would have bought Dallas Cowboys stuff, but that way you can use them every year after that. So we'll be able to use this stuff next year as well. The best thing and the one that I'm super excited about is a DIY table runner. So, and it was, I have to give the credit to my husband. He thought of the idea. We're like a team when it comes to like decorating. There was this really beautiful table runner and I love table runners so much. It's like, I could just have a bazillion table runners, honestly, at Party City. And it was like $35 or something like that. And I, of course, said, oh, I only want to spend like $20 on decorations. So Sean was like, oh, let's just get the grass from Home Depot and have it cut. So literally I'm gonna insert some pictures of me getting this grass, but it is like so large. So this is it. It's really for like, I guess landscaping or doing like, what is it? Zero-scaping your backyard or whatever. But this whole thing was like $7. So I measured it and I wanted my table runner to be 14 inches because my table is, most of my other table runners are that size. And then we're gonna have to cut it. So I'll show you how we do that. But this is our DIY table runner. So we're gonna get started in decorating and then we'll go to food. Okay, the doggies are in the picture. There's Sebastian and Rocky. We've set up the decorations now and all we did was cut that big turf grass and made it a beautiful table runner. I love it so much. And then we kind of set up those little decorations I got from the Dollar Tree and Party City. What we also do is kind of lay out the trays where we think we might want them. And then we'll put food. So for example, we know what we're gonna put in there. We're gonna put some wings and vegetables in there. Over here also, I've just put up some simple decorations to make it kind of festive. Okay, the first thing we're gonna share, if you hear noise in the background, it's the hubs. He's helping in today's video, but he doesn't wanna be on screen. So the first thing we're gonna share is a super inexpensive meat and cheese plate with crackers. I did pull all these ideas off of Pinterest, so hopefully I can recreate it, but let's get started with what you need. The first thing I got were these crackers just to lay around the tray. They're so good. I've been eating them all this time since we've started. And then I am easy, I like easy. We bought pre-sliced the cheese already. This is from my local grocery store, and we have Colby Jack and sharp cheddar. These are the two cheeses. And then we love some Boar's Head. Boar's Head, sponsor us, just kidding. We love some Boar's Head, so those are the pepperonis. So let's go ahead and get started. I did get this very large tray. It's a plastic, it's from Party City. It's actually from a previous party that we had. So I forgot to mention that you'll also need some string cheese for this. So let's go ahead and lay out the crackers. Here's the finished product, a meat and cheese plate shaped like a football. The next food I want to share with you that is super easy, like anyone could do this. I saw two options on Pinterest, but we're basically going to make football shaped little sweets. So the first option was making some brownies, so you could just like get a box of brownies and bake them out and then cut them into the little footballs. Or you can do what I'm gonna do today and be super easy and buy oatmeal cream pies. So these are the oatmeal cream pies. And then I bought this cookie cutter on Amazon. I'll link it below for you. So it's just like a cookie cutter in the shape of a football, and we're gonna cut them up and then decorate them. Super easy, super cute. This is your second option. Easy Super Bowl Sunday food. Here are the deviled eggs. They're just a basic deviled egg recipe. I'll link one below that Sean used. Boil your eggs, then peel them, then make the filling. And the little trick to make them look like little footballs is just to take these green onions, cut them up, and kind of make them look like the laces of a football. Next, we're taking mini ice cream sandwiches and these little craft sticks. They're called craft spoons. What you're gonna do is draw with a Sharpie plays on the sticks and then stick them into the ice cream sandwich. And then you're gonna take the same little frosting and just decorate them like a little lace. We finished making all the treats. We're gonna share with you really quick. Here's the meat and cheese plate shaped into a football. Then we have the oatmeal cream pies, also in a football. Do you sense the theme, the football? And then for an easy, super easy snack, I have just popped some popcorn and put it in a football shaped bowl. We have our deviled eggs, also in the shape of a football, super adorable. We have the ice cream sandwiches, which those would have to be in the freezer until dessert time. Super easy sliders with cute little flags, the buffalo wings with the vegetables, and we also whipped up some French fries in our air fryer. Super easy food to recreate for your Super Bowl Sunday party that you're either having or attending. Let me know in the comments below who you're rooting for. I'm hoping that LA makes it to the Super Bowl and they win. They're not my Dallas Cowboys, so let me know in the comments who you guys want to win. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!